How to fix Arc Reader's launch error 3005, and what you need to do is first try to reinstall Arc Raiders, but it is a very big game and huge game, so most people find it difficult. So what you need to do is press Windows R on your keyboard, type this percentage update percentage and click OK. Here you'll find Arc Raiders folder, so just delete the folder and run the game, so it will recreate a cache folder for it. You basically just delete all the cache for Arc Raiders, and the new cache will start to store here. So yes, it can save a lot of memory for you and it might fix your problem. So yes, this is how you can do it. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.